Hello again and welcome. I wonder if you can guess how many words there are in the English language in total. The answer is 170,000 words. Don't worry if you're trying to learn them, because most native speakers only know about 20,000. So, how many verbs do you think there are in the English language? Nobody can quite agree, but some people think that it's about this many, 11,000. But can you guess how many verbs are used in around about 50% of all conversation? How many verbs do you think are used in around half of all English conversation? Surprising. So that's why I think it's very important to learn the correct pronunciation of these very important verbs to make you sound correct most of the time. So let's go through the top 25 verbs that are most used in the English language with their past tense pronunciations. Let's start. Number 1, be, was, were, or was if it's the weak form. He was really good yesterday. You were amazing. Had. I had something delicious for dinner yesterday. Did. Did you know there are 170,000 words in English? Said. He said that to me already. Got. He got the bill for everyone. Made. He made a superb cake. It was so chocolatey. Went. He went everywhere with his best friend. Knew. He knew the answer but couldn't quite remember. Took. He took a picture and went on his way. Saw. He saw the Statue of Liberty in New York. Came. He came for dinner and stayed for ages. Thought. I thought I sent it to you. Looked. He looked everywhere for his phone, but he couldn't find it. Wanted. He wanted to go, but he just couldn't. Gave. He gave away his last sandwich. Used. He used it all. Found. He found $50 on the street, right outside his apartment. Told. I told you already, I can't do it, sorry. Asked. He asked his mum if he could stay out very late that night. Worked. He worked so hard, he was the star of the business. Seemed. seemed. She seemed to know everything. She was quite an amazing person. Felt. Felt. She felt ambitious, excited, and determined to continue and succeed. Tried. Tried. He tried his absolute best until he succeeded. Left. Left. Oh no, I left my coat on the bus. Called. Called. I called the bus company, but they said they didn't find it. So those are the 25 most important verbs out of the around 11,000 in English. If you can master those 25, you're doing 50% of all spoken English correctly. So that's a pretty good start. So guess I better start trying to learn those other 150,000 words that most native speakers don't know. See you later.